What is a milestone? A milestone is an accomplishment. We all go through milestones. We're supposed to be milestoning to the day we die. However, we don't understand, really, most of us don't understand that most people that are supposed to know what a milestone is really do not. A milestone should happen every 4 weeks with your child. There are major milestones and there's thousands of minor milestones. That's why we have the books, especially the birth to 3 months, how to look and start checking off all those crazy things that your baby should be doing. But also, the book is the only one that has the warning signs in it. When you're doing a milestone, right, it starts off right from day one. Breathing is a milestone, and your baby lying in your arms is a milestone. Ask a person that maybe their baby's in a NICU, premature, has had some kind of birth trauma, when those rights of your child were taken from them. And there are big movements that still need to be made up, but right now we're busy saving their lives. When should you worry about a milestone? Well, when they start coming every 6 weeks, or worse, 8 weeks. Right? You'll start to see these prolonged actions where you're going into a baby-dictated environment versus a time-dictated environment. You want a time-dictated environment. Why? Because we all want standing, let's say, by a year. So there's very specific milestones that need to happen within that year, and that's where that's very important for you and your baby to recognize. We're not meant to skip any milestones. Every milestone is significant, just like going to school and so forth and graduations. They're very significant in our life and not meant to be skipped. But the first year of life is when all the action is happening. So when people say to you, oh, my baby, is not, oh, they'll be okay. They'll be okay. If they did not evaluate your child, if they have not even looked at your child and just hearing your stories, this is where too, I don't let you just say, oh, MRI, birth trauma, I need to see a video. Why? Because I need to see where your child is in their action, their complete action. There's a quality to a milestone, but really a milestone is a major event of your child's life. Your first 3 months, you're going through the horizontal milestones, right? Now you're proceeding into the vertical milestones, the next 3 months of life. And now we're going into that vertical transitioning of going in and out of those positions. And that happens the next 3 months. And then we're going into locomotion. There are very specific areas of milestones, as well as the specific milestones like grabbing your feet. Probably the biggest overlooked milestone there is. Next week, we get into independent sitting. We're on group month 5 of the milestones. And if you haven't watched what the milestones are, because that's what I'm doing now, is defining each milestone and what are the warnings, right? So the webinar series is almost halfway through. We're in the month of May, but we're going through the 12 months of milestones. But please, if you don't understand what a milestone is, make sure you do, because if you say your child, let's say, is rolling over, they're grabbing their feet and they're not doing it properly, your medical provider hears, check, we did it. And your child's going to miss these gaps of maybe a little help that they need, or they need more significant help. And that's where, too, knowing what a milestone is for you allows you to talk to people more accessibly. Thanks.